Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. In this GK session, I will discuss with you about two topics. One is animals in danger. That means the species of those animals in the world, they are in danger. And topic 2, great scientists of India. Now I will discuss with you about the animals in danger. First of all, I will discuss with you about pangolins. Pangolins, also called scaly anteaters. That means, once again I am saying you, pangolins are also called scaly anteaters. Curl into a ball when threatened. Some pangolins, such as the African black-bellied pangolin, live entirely in trees. Others live on land. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. Second is snow leopard. Snow leopards are found in the Indian subcontinent and in the mountains of Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. They are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards. And the bones and hides of snow leopards are also sought after by poachers. Now I will discuss with you about the third animal in this world are endangered. Leatherback sea turtles are the name of that animal. Leatherback sea turtles are named so because they have leather-like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their numbers in check. Increased egg collection and capture have led to a steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. Now, children, I will discuss with you about the fourth species of animal which they are also threatened by others. Saola. Saola is also known as the Asian unicorn. and is sighted rarely in the Annamite ranges of Vietnam and Laos. It was discovered only in 1992. They resemble cows as well as antelopes. They are recognized by two long parallel horns with sharp ends. No saula exists in captivity and it has been recorded in nature only 4 times. It is critically endangered due to the destruction of its forest homes and also because of hunting. The fifth animal's life which is in danger are red pandas. Red pandas with length of only 2 feet are only slightly larger than domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. They mostly live in trees and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. The loss of trees and bamboo in forests has caused a huge decline in red pandas population. And today's last animal whose life is also in danger are giant armadillos. The neck and the back of the giant armadillos are covered with flexible armor consisting of 14 to 17 movable bands of horn and bone. Their heads are protected by a similar oval shield. They can grow to 1.5 meter in length. They feed on termites and small mammals such as mice and rats. They are endangered because of poaching and loss of habitat due to human settlement and agricultural development. Almost 50% of their population has been lost in the last 10 years. Now I am moving over to the second topic of today's discussion, that is the great Indian scientist. Use the clues to identify human mathematicians and scientists whose contributions have benefited humanity through the ages. Number 1. He was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician known for his work on the revolution of the earth, prediction of eclipses, and the use of place value in number system. India's first satellite was named after him. Who is that scientist? Name of that scientist is Aryabhatta or Aryabhat. Name the person. He was the principal contributor and party who was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. Listen it one more time. He was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. Name of the person is Charaka. Name the person. His groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra, curing patients through surgeries. He also developed many unique and practical techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. What is the name of the person? Name of the person is Shushruth. Number 4. He was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is known for his book Pancha Siddhantika, a detailed study of Western astronomy. What is the name of that person? Name of that person is Varaha Mihira. Name of that person is Varaha Mihira. He was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books the Mahavashkarya and Laghu Vashkarya that dealt with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipses, and the phases of the moon. What is the name of that person? Name of that person is Vaskara. Name the person. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of 5th century known for his book once again. Name of the book is Brahma Spuhuta Siddhanta. Brahma Spuhuta Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting number from itself. Who is that person? Name of that scientist is Brahma Gupta. Brahma Gupta. I am repeating this once again. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 5th century known for his book Brahma Sputa Siddhanta. an astronomical work, he defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. What is the name of that scientist? Name of that scientist is Brahma Gupta. Children, this much is for today's session. We will meet with each other with some new topic in the next session. Okay? So till then I am saying bye to you. Goodbye children. Take